Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Menborn security camera for outdoor. And this is a wireless version of it because it operates without a wire connected. Because there is a built-in battery system there which you have to reload, or you can make a solar supply if you like. It's an updated battery operated security camera system which operates in the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with two-way audio, PIR human detection, night vision, a Siren IP65, Alexa compatible, and of course it looks really cool. The Menborn outer security camera operates on a battery power and connected via Wi-Fi. With a large 5200 mAh capacity, the battery supports 30 up to 60 days of operation on a full charge. We also have the option to add a solar panel, which is not included, for a continuous power supply, ensuring around-the-clock safety surveillance. And the battery camera employs advanced PIR motion detection technology to monitor a home around in real time for unauthorized activities. At night, we can configure the device to trigger alarm upon the detection motion, effectively deterring potential intruders. When the camera detects movement, it will start recording and send a real-time notification to our phone, reminding us to check for suspicious activity promptly, and experience a crystal clear video with a full 2K and 4 megapixel resolution from this outer security camera. Even in the darkness, with its 6 high intensity IR LED beams delivers a high definition black and white image, ensure reliable security with night vision up to 10 meters. The outer security camera features a built-in microphone and speaker, this allowing us to establish a conversation between us and our visitors. We can easily communicate with anyone at our door, giving our peace of mind and control over our surroundings. And it's designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. The Menborn camera delivers excellent outdoor performance, ensuring reliable operation in any environment. The Wi-Fi outdoor camera supports up to 256 GB micro TF card, which is not included, for video storage. It also provides a cloud storage system. OPTA for the Intelligent Cloud Storage subscription to enhance detection accuracy for humans, vehicles, and animals. There will be minimal false alerts and ensure the peace of mind. It's easy, as you can see, to attach this to a wall, for example, or for a ceiling, or where you like to mount it. We will get the battery camera, a mounting bracket, a USB charging cable, a surveillance sticker, a position and paper, and on the device itself, we have a reset button on the bottom, a power button, a Type-C charging port, a waterproof cover if you like to connect it to a power supply via USB-C cable. That's possible too. And we have a light sensor, indicator light, and lens, and a microphone on the front side, and a PIR sensor. The power button we can use for power on and switch it off. The reset button, we press and hold the button for 80 seconds until the camera emits 3 short beeps, which means the reset is successfully. The SD card slot can storage up to 256 GB of SD cards, micro SD cards, where you can make the recordings safe on it. We have indicator lights on the front side. Red blink, waiting for pair. Green blink, scan successful, network is abnormal. A solid green, pairing successful, camera is online, camera is recording. A solid white, camera is charging. No lights on, the battery is full charge, camera is in sleep mode, the camera is power off. The sleep on mode means if the camera is powered on but not connected to the network for 120 seconds, it will enter into the sleep mode. To wake it up, we simply press the reset button briefly. And we are going to get a beep sound, 1 short beep waiting for pair, 3 short beats, device rated successful or pairing scan successful or camera has been removed. And the first step is we download the app for it. The app means that is the SYMYNELEC app, the Simunalec app. It's available in the App Store or in the Google Play Store. So you can use it on Apple devices and on all Android devices out there. First, we complete the app registration process. That's for free. It costs you nothing on money. We make sure that the phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network because the camera only works with 2.4 GHz network. The 5 GHz network is not supported, but you can make it easy because every 5 GHz network router can make a 2.4 GHz too. That means you have to enter to the 2.4 GHz network while you go installation process, and after this you can change on your smartphone to the 5 GHz network. It will work with the app and this camera from there on. Then we push the reset button and wait a little bit. Then we add the device to our app, and after this we have to enter your Wi-Fi network key. Then the app gives us a QR code which we have to scan with the camera, and after this we can make the setup process done. Then we charge the camera, and then we install the camera, and then we can start with the recording. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.